equations. So as we go on doing the sums, we will come to know how to do them. Okay, the first one is we have to fill the blanks, fill the boxes. Okay, so this is 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Okay, here it is given x equals to box, x equals to box. Now since we are adding this, 5x plus 2x will become 7x. Okay, plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. Okay, and 9 plus 12 will become what? 21. Okay, this is 7, x is written outside the box, so I'll keep it as it is. Now x is equal to 21 will be here, 7 will be here, so x is equal to 3. Okay, now this we have to 5 into dash plus 3y equals to 9. This we have to place in the first equation. Okay, so 5 into 3, this is 15 plus 3y equals to 9. Okay, now they have given three y equals to 9 minus dash, so I'll put here 15. Okay, so y equals to 3y equals to dash. Okay, now y equals to dash upon 3, so here it will be 15. We'll cancel this, so y will be 3 ones are 3 5s are. Okay, then we can write solution is x comma y, that is equal to x will write here, y will write here. Okay, now let us begin with question number 2. So question number 2, first one says that 3a plus 5b equals to 26 and a plus 5b equals to 22. Now you can see here we have plus 5b and plus 5b. If we add them, it will become 10b. So there is no point in adding. Okay, so what we will do, I'll give this as number 1 and this as number 2. If we subtract them, then 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. So I'll write subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, when I say 2 from 1, it means 2 will be below and 1 will be above. Okay, so 3a plus 5b equals to 26, a plus 5b equals to 22. Okay, now this is minus, sign changes, this will also become minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus 22 becomes minus 22. Okay, so 3a minus a is 2a, this becomes 0, and what is 26 minus 22? It is 4. So a equals to 4 upon 2, a we got 2. Okay, now as we got a equals to 2, then we'll substitute this in any of the equation, substituting a equals to 2 in second equation. So I'll write a plus 5b equals to 22. Instead of a, you will put 2 plus 5b equals to 22. Okay, so 5b equals to 22 minus 2, 5b equals to 20, b equals to 20 by 5, b equals to 4. Okay, so we will write here solution, first a then b. Okay, then next one. So next one says x plus 7y equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Now you check, children, which variable x and y are called variables. Which variable have equal coefficients? No, they don't have equal coefficients. Or it is very easy to change the coefficient which has variable 1. Here x has variable 1. So we can easily make this 3 because 3x is there in the second equation. So we will make this as 3. So let us name the equations first. X plus 7y equals to 10. I'll name this 1. And 3x minus 2y equals to 7. I'll name this 2. Okay. Now what I'll do? Multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay, so we'll get 3x plus this will become 21y and this will become 30. Okay, so you got a new equation, that is third one. Now you can see 3x minus 2y equals to 7 and 3x plus 21y equals to 30. Okay, so 2 and 3, point number 2 and 3, we will, if we'll subtracting equation 2 from 3, what will we get? See, we'll get like this. Equation 3 will place above, 2 will place below. So third equation is 3x plus 21y equals to 30 and this is 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Okay, sign is 23y and 30 minus 7 is 23. So very simple, y equals to 23 upon 23. So we got the value of y as 1. Okay, now let us place, replacing y equals to 1 in equation 1. Okay, I am taking equation 1. You can take any of the equation 1, 2 or 3. Your answer will be correct. Okay, so x plus 7y equals to 10. X is x, 7, y is 1 equals to 10. So x plus 7 equals to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 7. X equals to 3. So we got the value of x as 3 and y as 1. This will be your final answer. So third one says that 2x minus 3y equals to 9 and 2x plus y equals to 13. Now if we subtract, 2x and 2x will get cancelled. Okay, other way is signs are different here. So if we multiply this with 3, by adding we can just cancel 3y and plus 3y. So what will we do? We will try to subtract 2x plus y equals to 13. Okay, so subtracting equation 1 from 2, 1 below, 2 above. 2x plus y equals to 13 and 2x minus 3y equals to 9. Okay, because we have to subtract the equation below, each of its sign will get changed. This will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this plus 9 will become minus. So this gets cancelled. Okay, and 1y plus 3y will become 4y, and 13 minus 9 will become 4. Okay, which says that y equals to 1. Okay, now replacing y equals to 1 in equation 1, we get 2x minus 3y equals to 9, and 2x minus 3, this is 1, okay, equals to 9. So 2x minus 3 equals to 9, 2x equals to 9 plus 3, 2x equals to 12, x is equal to 6. Okay, so we can write the answer solution. This is 6 comma 1. Okay, then fourth one says 5m minus 3n equals to 19. So I'll give this as 1, and m minus 6n equals to minus 7. I'll give this as 2. Okay, now this is, we can see here the coefficients are different. Here also coefficients are different. I can however make this as 6. 3 I can make 6 to equalize the coefficient. So what I'll do is multiplying equation 1 by 2. So what will we get? We'll get 10m minus 6n equals to 38. This is equation number 3. Okay, so I'll subtract this, subtracting equation 2 from 3, 2 below, 3 above. Okay, now 2 is m minus 6n equals to minus 7, and this is 10m minus 6n equals to 38. Now because we are subtracting, this sign will get changed. Okay, what is 10 minus 1? It is 9m. This will get cancelled, and 38 plus 7. 38 plus 7 is 45. So you got m equals to 5. 45 upon 9 is 5. Okay, so now replacing the value, replacing m equals to 5 in equation 1. Okay, or I'll take 2. 2 is more simple. M minus 6n equals to minus 7. So 5 minus 6n equals to minus 7. 5 will move there. It will become minus 5. Okay, minus 6n equals to minus 12. Minus minus gets cancelled. N equals to 2. Okay, so therefore you got the solution as m comma n. Okay, so fifth one says 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3 and x plus 5y equals to 4. So here if you see, this is your first equation, okay, and this is your second equation. Now there are two ways here. Either I can equalize the coefficients, this I can make 5 and then solve, or there is another way that we did in previous standards, that is x, I can take the value of x, okay, x is equal to 4 minus 5y. Okay, now 5y I've sent there. X, if I am making it stand alone, if I am making x stand alone, I am getting some value of y, okay, which I'll give it as number 3. So if you observe, I've got the value of x in terms of y. Okay, so whole I can replacing equation 3 in 1. Okay, so if I write 1 again, 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3. Okay, I have the value of x. Instead of x, I can write 4 minus 5y. So I can write x in terms of y. So I'll get a simple linear equation. Okay, so I got here 5 4s is 20 minus 5 5 is 25y plus 2y equals to minus 3. Okay, then if you see here, I can solve this. 20 minus 25 plus 2 will become minus 23y, and here 20 will go here, so it will become minus 20. So minus 23y equals to minus 23. So you can see here y becomes 1. Okay, now it is very easy to find the value of x. Replacing y equals to 1 in equation 2. Easier win, I'll take x plus 5y equals to 4. So x plus 5, this is 1 equals to 4, x plus 5 equals to 4, and x is equal to 4 minus 5. So you get x equals to minus 1. What is the solution? Solution is minus 1 comma, what is y? 1. Okay, this is another method of doing the simultaneous equation, which is called substitution method. Okay, this is called substitution method. Okay, we are doing sum number 6, where you can see the first equation has denominator 3. So what we'll do is, we'll first try to eliminate the denominator, to cancel that denominator. So what I'll do, I don't want 3 as denominator, so I have to multiply the whole equation by the same denominator. Okay, if I multiply this by 3, look carefully children, if I multiply this by 3, 3 will get cancelled. What remains is x. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. 3 into 1 by 3x plus 3 into y equals to 3 into 10 upon 3. What I have done is, every number I have multiplied with 3, every term I have multiplied with 3. Okay, so what remains here, 3 gets cancelled, this becomes x, this becomes 3y, here 3 gets cancelled, we get a new equation. Okay, that is x plus 3y equals to 10. This is equation 3. Okay, similarly for 2, I'll multiply by which number? Multiplying equation 2 by, yes, I'll multiply it by 4. So now I'll not show you this step, you will tell me orally. 4 into 2x is 8x plus 4 into this will be 4 will get cancelled, only 1y will remain. Okay, equals to 11 upon 4 into 4 get cancelled, only 11 remains. So we got two new equations, third and fourth. Okay, now you can observe neither x has equal coefficients or y has equal coefficients. So what I'll do is, here I'll substitute y equals to 11 minus 8x. Okay, I got some value for y, okay, which I'll name it as 5th. Okay, then we can substitute now, replacing equation phi in third. Okay, I'll write the third equation, x plus 3y equals to 10, then x plus 3y, y is what? 11 minus 8x equals to 10. Okay, then this will become x plus, this is 33 minus 3 8s are 24x equals to 10. Okay, so we'll get x minus 24x, I'll write this as minus 23x, x minus 24x is minus 23x, and here it will be 10 minus 33. 33 will move here, we'll get minus 23x is equal to, this will become minus 23. So what is the value of x? Minus minus gets cancelled, x becomes 1. Okay, now very easy, replacing x is equal to 1 in which equation you will take? You will not take 1 and 2. Okay, third you can take, it is easy. Okay, fifth also, fourth, fifth also you can take. So I am taking third one. Okay, third one will take. So x plus 3y equals to 10. 1 plus this is y equals to 10. Okay, so 3y equals to 10 minus 1, 3y equals to 9, so y will become 3. Okay, so you got the solution. What is the solution? Solution is 1 comma 3. Okay, then sum number 7. So when you see such a question where the variable of x, the coefficient of x is with the coefficient of y in the other equation, and the coefficient of y is with the coefficient of x in the other equation, in that case what to do? In that case you have to follow only 2 steps. What are they? Just see. Okay, I'll name this as 1 and 2 here itself. So one time you have to adding equation 1 and 2, and one time you have to subtract, so that you will get 2 new equations. So if I add them, 99x plus 101y equals to 499, and 101x plus 99y equals to 501. If you add them, this will become 200x plus 200y equals to, what is this? 1000? Yes, it will be 1000. Okay, so you can see this equation is a big equation and it can be easily divided by a bigger number. So I'll divide this by which number? Dividing by 200. I'll get a new equation, x plus y equals to 5. Okay, if you get a bigger equation, an equation which has bigger coefficients in it, okay, so you can see by which number it has to be divided. So I divided it by 200, so this will become x, this will become y. This, if you divide by 200, it will become 5. Okay, then this I'll give a new name, equation number 3. Okay, then I'll subtracting equation, I'll take this as equation 1 from 2. Any equation you can subtract, equation 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. I am taking 1, okay, 1 below and 2 above. So 99x plus 101y equals to 499, and here I am taking the second equation, 101x plus 99y equals to 501. For subtraction you have to leave some space, you have to leave one line so that you can change the sign. this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus also becomes minus. Okay, so this becomes 2x, this becomes minus 2x, and this becomes 2. Okay, so it is very simple. I'll divide this by 2. So sorry, this was y. So dividing by 2 will get x minus y equals to 1. Okay, so this is your equation number 4. Okay, now if you see the new equations, x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. Okay, it is very easy to solve them. So we'll solve these two equations. I'll keep these two equations only. So the two equations left, even if I add them, y will get cancelled and only x will remain. So I'll write adding equation 3 and 4. This is 3, this is 4. X plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. Okay, y gets cancelled, this becomes 2x. Okay, and this becomes 6. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 6 by 2, that is 3. Now substitute this, replacing x equals to 3 in equation 3. This anyone you can take. X plus y equals to 5, 3 plus y equals to 5, y equals to 2. Okay, now I'll write the solution here. Solution is x comma y. Okay, understood children? Easy, isn't it? Now the last one, 8th one we'll do. So the 8th one is also similar to 7th one, where the coefficient of x is with y and here the coefficient of y is with x. So again you will follow the same steps, adding one time and subtracting one time to get the new equations. Okay, adding, I'll get 49x minus 57y equals to 172. 57x minus 49y equals to 252. If I add them, 9 plus 7 is 16, this is 10, and this is again 16, 106, sign of greater number. This is x, this is y. 2 plus 2 4, 7 plus 5 12, 2 plus 2 4. This is 424. Okay, so here if we divide this by 106, we'll get the coefficient 1. Is this divisible by 106? Yes. 100 4 times is 400. So 106 4 times is 424. So what will we do? Dividing by 106, we'll get x minus y equals to 4. We got a new equation, named this as equation number 3. Now the steps are, you have to subtracting equation 1 from 2. 1 I'll keep below, 2 I'll keep above. 57x minus 49y equals to 252. This is 49x minus 57y equals to 172. While subtracting, the sign of the equation that is below changes. This will become minus, this minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus. Okay. Now 57 minus 49, very easy, it is 8x, and here also plus 57 minus 49 is again plus 8y, and here 252 minus 172. Let us check this. 2 minus 2 0. 7 plus 8 is 15, 1. So 80. Okay, very simple. Which number we'll use? Dividing by 8. We'll get x plus y equals to 10. Equation number 4. Okay. Okay, so we'll have only these two equations now to get x and y, which looks very easy. So I'll adding equation 3 and 4. So x minus y equals to 4, x plus y equals to 10. This is 3, this is 4. Very simple, this will get cancelled. X plus x becomes 2x. And what is 4 plus 10? 4 plus 10 is 14. So x is equal to 7. 14 upon 2 is 7. Okay. Now I'll replace this, replacing x is equal to 7 in equation 3. Third one I'll take. X minus y equals to 4. 7 minus y equals to 4. Minus y equals to 4 minus 7. Minus y equals to, what is 4 minus 7? It is minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. Y equals to 3. Okay. So you can write here solution. Solution is 7, 3. Okay. So with this we come to the end of first exercise. Goodbye children, all the best.